Hi guys, in today's video, I'm showing you how to add simple subtitle in Capcut. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing you have to do is open your application and import your video in Capcut. And once you import your video, drag it to the editing section. Now, let's get started. I'll add simple subtitling, and for this, take a look. On the left top, you can find few options: media, audio, text. From these options, tap on the option text. After tapping on the option text, here you can find text fonts, and from these select yours. Just for example, I'll choose this default text. So I'm tapping on it, and we'll drag it to the editing section. Arrange the size of it. Once you will arrange the size, you can find the box where you can edit it. Here, write your desired text by removing this one, right here. If I play the video here, you can see my written text. You can also add the size it by stretching it from each corner and place it wherever you want after placing. Here are some additional features. You can make it bold, you can add an underline, and you can make it italic. This feature is for making all the letters capital. If I tap on it, you can see all the letters are now capital. So let's scroll down here. You can add color. I tap on it and choose a color. You can see the text color has been changed. Here you can add shadow to your text. Simply turn on this and add shadow. Now edit your subtitle, so once you think your subtitle is done and want to add more, and simply take this line to that point where you want to add subtitle. Again, do the same process like we did and add more subtitles in your video. So it was the fundamental way by which you can add simple subtitles in Capcut.